Most of it, really. I understand the principle.
I got a few coats like that.
I used to put the leather one on mostly.
Yeah.
So I thought I'd wear this one today for a change.
You got cold hands?
Decided to get in.
Oh goodness, yeah, that's a bit more serious than mine.
Yeah,
I just
yeah,
snapped the bottom of mine off. Yeah.
It's pretty rough. And then she caught with infection in it.
Oh.
So she's been on antibiotics.
No, I was quite lucky.
She did have she had one of those first.
Did she
The
break the
plaster
skin
one.
then?
Plaster one.
Did she break the skin when she did it? Did she get the infection as well?
Well, because she suffered with skin problems.
Oh.
When they put that plaster on, and they took it off, the skin.
Yeah,
So, anyway, she's on the white road now. But she's still wearing the boot, but she finds the boots.
I got to wear this out for this week and I should be alright.
You'll be alright. Yeah.
so you can't drive. So I've had to drive today.
They're white now.
Yeah, they put a sign in there, money, and
But the sign, we'll have a sign inside.
yeah.
That'd be a bit of digging to get us. Years ago when Richie told me to do it, good job, didn't he?
Well, he did a Marple's job. Marple's, that was the man, was the crook. Marple's out.
He was a what?
Marple's, the minister of the lorry company, did all that. He was into
right,
roads and
okay.
highways.
Yeah, he didn't want the railways,
He
did he?
didn't want the railways. Industrial, not industrial, political unrest.
Right.
Which comes in my life, so I should bloody hope that.
And then,
That pool was one that we rescued.
right.
When we're doing it up, but it's a very big end.
Right.
It comes on here.
All reconstructed. Oh, that, yeah, that's the old. Station, up to Central Station in the middle of town. The road was with that station.
It is.